Hello students, we are on chapter 10, the export quality. Today we shall learn the last part of the chapter on page number 129. Okay. So, I walked down the street. You remember the story, I hope. I walked down the street, shuffling my feet to get the full feel of my comfortable new chappals. She was very happy to wear that chapel and she was comfortable that fit in that. My heel dragged along the ground and I began to imagine I am taking a root and almost belong. So she felt comfortable with that. She was walking along the road. System or no system, whatever system it is, anyway I got a good chapel finally. I made my way to a point I would be most likely to find a rickshaw home. She wanted to take a rickshaw to go back to her home. I passed a cart seller card and absently stopped to look at it. Christmas card, New Year card, Diwali, greeting, birthdays, different kinds and different style. She saw some cards on the way, on the roadside. She stopped there. She wanted to get something from there. So different kinds of cards were there. In one section, there is a pile clearly catering for a hippie market. One of them, a photograph in color, shows a lone figure walking off and away into a tropical sunset. In the caption inside reads, I don't know where I am going, but I am on my way. So on the way she saw this also, what? Cards. So did she buy? She has selected some and looked. It is not mentioned whether she bought or not. Okay, so we don't know whether she has taken a few cards. 3 rupees, says the man. I give them to him and take my card. Okay, she has taken the card. So she gave 3 rupees. She asked the man and she gave her 3 rupees and took a few cards from that. I don't know where I am going, but I am on my way, and for now I am on my way down Janipath, a particular place name. In my childhood, it used to be called Queensway, or written as one word. We used to come down here with our pocket money to drink the forbidden sugarcane juice, buy some amberbutt, and see if we could pick up a tringlet or something in the tenant stall for the Tibetan rupees. So she just stopped at that particular place. Which place she stopped? Janipath. It's a particular place. She remembered when I was a child, with my friends, we used to come with the pocket money and buy and drink, which was forbidden. My parents were told not to drink that particular drink, but the forbidden sugarcane juice. We are not allowed to drink that particular juice, but anyway, we used to come and come with our friends and drink that forbidden sugarcane juice, and also buy some amberbutt. You know what it is, no? Okay. If we could pick up some trickling of something in the stall, and also we used to collect some things from the Tibetan refugees. This Tibetan shawl also. We used to collect some stalls or something from the Tibetan markets. We can say that. The Tibetan tents have become proper brick shop with iron grills. Now they have built a proper house there. With the bricks they have built that. Still sealing the beds, bubbles, bangles and brick ebra. Old furniture, we can say that. Brick ebra means old furniture and okay. But enough for today. A rickshaw waits. I get into drive home. So she thought that's all enough today's shopping. She had shopped much and seen much. She told that enough for today and I get to drive home. My sari flutters in the wind. I place my feet in a way as to be able to admire my new chapel. I kept my chapel in a way I said I could see and admire that. Okay. As we go along, export quality, I start to beat a rhythmic time with my food. It's an expert quality. The shopkeeper says no. It's an expert quality. Expert quality. That's a rhythmic came to my mind again and again. Expert quality, smoothly fitting, home quality, and pinching, slipping. Expert quality, smoothly. That is rhythmic. A rhythm came to her mind again and again. Okay, students, that's the end of the chapter. It's a full story about Meera, and she was staying in England and married to an Englishman, and also she has a child called Maya. And she came back after a long time staying in West. She came to India and staying in Delhi, where she moves around for a shopping. In a mall, we can say. Okay, so there she had such an experience of buying the things and meeting the whatever she sees on the road and the bargaining with the people, shopkeepers. All that it is written in a such a way in this chapter. That's all in this chapter. Okay, so hope you have understood the chapter. If you have not, or read the chapter properly once or twice, you will understand it. Okay, so the difficult words are here. About words, on page number 130. You will be writing down in your copy and learning it that it's a new words it is. Okay, so you will be learning all that is, and I will give you the question answers and reference the context of the chapter. Please learn it and prepare for the exam. Thank you, students, for listening.